Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on copying and pasting on Mac using keyboard shortcuts. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Highlight the text that you would like to copy, then press the Command and C keys simultaneously. The text is now copied. Bring the cursor to where you would like to paste your text, and then press the Command and V keys simultaneously. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Mac tips and tricks.